If you are a business leader, if you are a business owner, or if you are a startup leader, then I have a question for you. The question is all about, have you ever wondered the task that you have taken in hand, you are struggling, you are unable to complete that task due to various reasons? If the answer is yes, then this session is for you. Welcome to YouTube channel of Suresh Shetty. I am a business growth coach, and I am going to tell you today what are the different secrets to become successful when it comes to execution. When it comes to execution or taking action, most of the business leaders, they find it difficult for various reasons. We will not get into details about what are the reasons, but if you are looking forward to achieve any target or any goal or any project that you have taken in hand, you have to make sure that you follow one significant successful key, and that key is called self-accountability. Accountability is all about taking the ownership, responsibility, and you are accountable for the fate, for the result of that particular responsibility that you have taken. And here I found most of the business leaders, they slightly differ on these particular aspects when it comes to taking the accountability. There are two aspects of accountability. One, you can have other person as your accountability partner, or you can pick up your own responsibility saying that yes, I am accountable for all the responsibility that I am expected to perform as a part of my role, being a business owner, business entrepreneur, or the startup leader. And if this clarity is very clear, then we can look forward to move as to see how your role as rather a redefined, a refreshing role as a self-accountability partner will help you, and it will create a significant change in your complete business environment. So moving forward, self-accountability, a key to successful execution. Now, what is the relationship between self-accountability and the execution? The relationship is very straight, and it also indicates that if you take the accountability as a part of your own responsibility, as a part of your own ownership, you will be able to deliver whatever the task that you have taken in hand, whatever the goal that you have taken in hand, and you will give the complete justice to the entire assignment. So moving forward, why we are promoting the concept of self-accountability? The reason being, when you appoint another person, it could be your colleague, it could be your board member, you have to depend upon the other person's actions. And if other person happens to be a non-action taker, then again the purpose of appointing the other person as an accountability partner will be miserably failed. And secondly, the question is, when we are capable, when we know what the process is, when we know what is the planning, how to take action, why at all we should depend upon other person to become an accountability partner for us. So therefore, it is strongly recommended the day you accept your responsibility that you are the self-accountability partner for yourself, you will have a better business scenario and you will be moving towards a business growth. Then the question, can we consider self-accountability as a substitute for accountability partnership? The answer is yes. Self-accountability, if I say based on my own experience, I am successfully implementing, following self-accountability over the years when it comes to writing my first book, my second book, my third book, or delivering the excellence to the clients who are essentially representing small and medium sectors. I always consider the self-accountability is the best option available. Therefore, for last so many years, I neither appointed anybody as a accountability partner for myself, nor I requested anybody that, hey, can you please become my accountability partner? Because as long as I am successful, series of successes that I have delivered over the years, the main attributes, the secret is to have myself as self-accountability partner. Having said that, I would strongly recommend, please visit my YouTube channel and do your like, subscribe the YouTube channel, and also give your suggestions. What are the topics that you are looking forward, in order to enable us to create a video of the topic of your interest, and we'll keep on meeting you again and again with new topics that will help the business community to take their business to the next level. You also would like to call upon to please visit the description column, fill up the Google form, and I promise you I'll be able to give you 20 minutes discovery session absolutely free. I'll be able to understand what are the business challenges that you are facing. Be it any problem in your business, based on my diagnostic process, I'll be able to provide a complete solution. So your business pain areas will become your business pleasure area. Till then, we'll see you soon. Thank you.